Hey, what's up? This is Alex. Today I'm going to show you how I did these nails. How cute! These are gelxnails, and I used a gel polish and a matte gel top coat to complete the look. This required a UV light and then a few polishes from Amazon, and that's all you need. So if that's something you're interested in learning how to do for yourself, definitely keep watching. It's very easy to do and super beginner friendly. So before I jump into the video, please like this video already. It helps other people find this video, and it also helps me know what you like to see. With that being said, I'll wait. Thanks. All right, let's jump into the video. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is prep my nails for the gelxnails. So I am using a cuticle pusher to kind of push back my cuticles, and I will do this on both hands. From there, I will take the nail glue. I'm using the gelnails, and I'm using some nails off Amazon, the Tomica ones. They are already pre-shaped and nice and short like I like them. It saves a lot of time in the shaping process if you already have nails that are the length you want and the shape you want. So definitely try that out. Then what I'm doing is I'm applying the gel to my own nail as well as the gelxnail. And then I'm applying that and I'm curing it under the UV light for 1 minute. So I'm gonna do that to all my nails. As you can see, apply it to the nail, apply it to my personal nail, and then cure it for 1 minute. It's super easy to do. Just continue this process until all of your nails are applied. Then what I'm gonna do is take my BEETLES base coat. I will leave a link in the description bar below. I will apply that to all of my nails at the same time, and I will begin using my larger UV light that can hold about 10 nails. I will also leave that link to the UV light in the description bar below, so that way you can check it out. I got it off Amazon, super good, but basically I'm gonna add that base coat, cure it, and then I'm gonna apply my gel polish. I'm also using a BEETLES polish, and that polish is in the color B114. It's from a Fashion Leader CL422 gel polish kit. It was 20 colors all in one, and I love these type of kits from BEETLES because they are the small polishes. So they're only 0.17 ounces, so that way, number one, you use most of the bottle by the time you're kind of sick and over the color. So I love this size. I think it's perfect, and you get to try so many different colors in one kit, which I think is fantastic. So throughout the process, I'm really just cleaning up these nails with, again, acetone. Really cleaning up your nails in advance is what's really gonna make your nails stand out as looking a little more professional, because you're not having any kind of excess spillage of polish throughout the process. I'm gonna put 2 layers on these nails of the lime green, and I'm gonna let that cure for about 1 minute or 2 minutes underneath my UV light. Fantastic. I paint both my hands at the same time in some cases because this UV light that I have from Amazon can actually hold 10 nails, which is fantastic. You don't see that often. So yeah, that's all you're seeing me do here is just clean it all up, make it really nice and clean. One thing to remember if you're applying gel polish is to not put the layers on too thick. It's very easy for gel to peel off if you put it on too thick, so definitely put thin coats. So it might look like I'm doubling up, but I'm really not. I have very little polish on my brush, and I'm essentially just spreading it around the nail. So definitely do that. The more layers that are thin are better than just like one big clunky layer, so just keep that in mind when you're doing your nails. So just, again, continue to clean up your nails around the edges and then go ahead and cure those babies. So once you sit underneath the gel lamp for about 60 to 120 seconds, go ahead and apply your top coat. Today I'm using the BEETLES matte top coat. You can get that on Amazon. That's also a gel top coat that will need to be cured, but it cures really fast. Under the UV light again for another 60 seconds, and then you should be all done. These nails were so cute. The one thing I will say is because they're matte, they get dirty very easily, so just have some alcohol wipes handy or a cotton ball with alcohol, and just be sure to wipe off your nails. All right, so here is the final look.
As you can see, the shape is pretty perfect. That is why I really love using pre-shaped nails, because I wear my nails shorter. Having them already shaped to perfection is exactly what I'm looking for. And I love my nails super short. I don't know if I said that already, but I love my nails super short, so it makes a lot of sense that I already get short nails. If you like longer nails, there's a ton of longer nail options on Amazon, so definitely check that out. This was super easy to do. The kit's already paid for itself. And I really love the Beetles polish. So definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. It definitely lasts over 3 weeks. So it's something you do not want to miss out on. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Lets me know you want to see more videos like this, more nail content, more do-it-yourself beauty, all that good stuff. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time. Bye.